Very good evening to all of you, my dear friends. How are you all and how is your English speaking journey? I am your English teacher Shivam sir and I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Sri Hari Coaching Center. So my dear brothers and sisters, are you using these videos and are you improving speaking, writing and storing every important skill which is helpful in speak English? So my dear friends, here I am again with very important lesson. Actually, we have already done all the active and passive voices of tenses. But my dear friends, we have many more challenging passive voices of imperative sentences, and we have more important. Actually, we know most cases, I mean to say in 90% cases we use by preposition. But in intermediate level we use add preposition, in preposition, with preposition, to preposition. So these are very important. So in this video I am going to talk about these things. First of all, I will talk about the imperative sentences, and then if I have time, then please I make information video about these things. So please must watch it and share these videos. And if you are new on my YouTube channel Sri Hari Coaching Center, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you think that these videos are very important, then please share these videos in your social media group or in your education groups, etc. You know, social media is a platform you can do many things, many good deeds. You can give knowledge to someone. We can support each other. So this is the use of social media. So my dear friends, without wasting any kind of time, let's get started. Imperative sentences in active voice and passive voice. So my dear brothers and sisters, let's get started. Imperative sentences. If I talk about the Hindi meaning of the imperative sentences, so Hindi meaning of the imperative sentences is आज्ञावाचक वाक्य. So my dear friends, you know, you all are familiar with the sentences of these sentences. I mean to say these categories of sentences. You know, open the door, close the door, open your book, go away, speak the truth, play the game. These type of sentences are called imperative sentences. So we have few rules to transform these active voices into passive voice. So my dear friends, I am first of all going to discuss about very simple and very trendy rule. My dear friends, if you have this sentence like open the door, this is an imperative sentence. So first of all, you know, 99% mostly, I mean to say 100%, imperative sentence start with main verb, and just after main verb you have object. So first of all, we have two rules, two tricks, two methods to transform this sentence into passive voice. My first rule is very easy. First of all, my dear friends, start this sentence with let. I am talking about the passive voice. Okay my dear friends, मैं इस sentence के passive voice की बात कर रहा हूँ. सबसे पहले let से स्टार्ट करेंगे. let plus object, and after object be, let plus object plus be. And as you know my dear friends, universal rule, use third form of the main verb, and after it I think we have nothing एक्सेट्रा मैटर इन इम्परेटिव सेंटेंसेस. इम्परेटिव सेंटेंसेस में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा होता नहीं है. सो लेट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द मेन वर्ब. एंड इफ़ यू थिंक it's your wish my dear, then you can join by you. Otherwise you think it is not important, then you cannot. बाय यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स कंपलसरी नहीं है इस टाइप के सेंटेंस में। लेट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द मेन वर्ब, बस आप इतना ही छोड़ सकते हैं। दिस इज़ योर करेक्ट पैसिव वॉइस। एंड इफ़ यू थिंक, अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं मुझे लगा देना चाहिए, देन इट इज़ ऑल्सो राइट। सो दीज आर टू वेज एंड माई अदर वेज इज़ सेकेंड मेथड ऑफ this passive voice. So first of all write object, and after object you have to write a helping verb should be. Should be, object plus should be plus third form of the main verb. Object plus should be plus third form of the main verb. And my dear friends, here by you is compulsory. I am writing here by you is compulsory here. by you यहाँ पर अनिवार्य है। if you are using this method, यदि आप ये मेथड यूज़ कर रहे हैं my dear brothers and sisters, then it is compulsory to use to join by you. And if you are using this method, then by you is not compulsory. If you wish, then you join, otherwise it is not important or it is not compulsory. So let's see this sentence. Open the door. Open the door, first of all transform by using first method. So let the door, let the door, this is our object. let is the rule and object is the door, and after the door be. let the door be, and third form open, third form of the open is opened. So let the door be opened. Enough. This is our passive voice. And if you think let the door be opened by you, let the door be opened by you, then it is also right. These both passive voice are right. Okay my dear friends, don't worry, you can use by you if you wish, then it is not compulsory. Okay my dear friends, I hope you are getting my point, you are understanding this in a very easy manner. Now use second method. First of all write object is the door, then write the door, and we have helping verb should be. So the door should be, third form of the main verb is opened. So the door should be opened, by you. Here my dear friends, actually don't bother about it. You will say, I think in your mind there is a question, and question is, sir here is no you, यहाँ you तो दिख नहीं रहा. But my dear friends, in imperative sentence we talk always and always with second person. हम हमेशा second person से ही तो बात करेंगे. So by you or you is a hidden subject in this type of sentences. Hidden subject होता है, छिपा हुआ कर्ता होता है. That's why we have to write this in few conditions. कभी कभी हमें ये लिखना पड़ता है. So the door should be opened by you. If you are using this method, then by you is very compulsory. Don't forget it. If you forget it, then your passive voice will be wrong. आपका गलत हो जाएगा my dear friends. Okay, so this is the very simple rule. Now my dear friends, we have three more things. तीन चीज़ें और होती हैं. First thing is order, and second thing is advice, and third thing is request. In this category of sentences we have three things more. तीन चीज़ें और होती हैं, order, advice and request. If you think that there is an order in a sentence, then you have to write you are ordered to. You are ordered to. If you think in a sentence order, then please write you are ordered to. And if you think that there is an advice in a sentence, then please write you are advised to. You are advised to. You are advised to. And if you think request, then you have to write you are requested, you are requested to, you are requested to. So my dear friends, this category request is very easy. I am telling you here few words. मैं कुछ यहाँ पर आपको words बता रहा हूँ, like kindly, please, sir, madam, and gentleman. If you see these 5 words in a sentence, imperative sentence especially, so you have to write you are requested to. अगर ये 5 words आप देखेंगे, then you have to write you are requested to. Kindly, please, sir, madam, and gentleman. So let's see. And advice is a thing, my dear brothers and sisters, which is profitable, which is betterment for us. Advice से हमारा भला होता है. So every good thing is an advice for us. And order, and here is, this is not a common order. This is order. ये order like senior, junior. When a senior says something to his junior, then it is ordered. Or when in a school, teacher or principal says something to the student. So this is an order. So just simple things. Let's see few example of these things. Okay, my dear friends. So my dear friends, these are the examples. Walk to the left. Walk to the left means बाएं चलिए. So walk to the left, this is an advice. This is an advice. Okay my dear friends, बाएं चलिए एक सलाह है, because this thing is for the betterment of us. ये हमारे भलाई के लिए. So my dear friends, this is an advice. So we use you are advised to. You are advised to. You are advised to walk to the left. Advised to walk to the left. You are advised to walk to the left. That's it. You are advised to walk to the left. No change in the sentence. Write first of all you are advised to, then walk to the left, and this is done. This passive voice is done. Now please sit down. Please sit down. Please means a request. So write you are requested to. You are requested to. You are requested to sit down. You are requested to sit down. You are requested to sit down. That's it. Finish. So my dear friends, last, stand up on the bench. Stand up on the bench. This is an order. Bench पे खड़े हो जाओ. So this is an order. So you have to write here you are ordered to. You are ordered to stand up on the bench. To stand up on the bench. Stand up on the bench. Full stop. You are ordered to stand up on the bench. That's it. You are ordered to stand up on the bench. My dear friends, these are very simple sentences. Now my dear friends, this rule is important. Rule is important. If you know the rule, you can transform thousands, millions of sentences. Rules is the key to change passive voice. Now my dear friends, let's discuss about negative sentences. Let's discuss about negative sentences in imperative sentence. It is very easy my dear friends. This is not a tough task. Take this sentence, open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Full stop. And this is affirmative sentence, affirmative part. Now if it is negative sentence, so here you have don't open the door. Don't open the door. Now you have to change the passive voice of this sentence. It is very easy my dear friends. Same rule, nothing change, but you have to use not just after object. I mean to say the door, or first of all write the let we are using let method. Okay, so let the door let the door not be opened. Let the door not be opened. Or you can join by you, it's your wish. It's your wish. Let the door not be opened. If you think join, then you will join by you, otherwise it is not compulsory. I told you already. So let the door not be opened, and let's see by should be. So the door should. My dear friends, this is not, so should not be. Break should be, should not be. The door should not be opened by you. The door should not be opened by you. The door should not be opened by you. This is the negative sentence. And if you think in this negative sentence, advice, don't walk to the left, please don't sit down, don't stand up on the bench. So it is very easy, my dear friends. You are advised to walk to the left. This is a affirmation sentence, affirmative sentence. And if this were a negative sentence, so you have to write, you are advised not to walk to the left. You are requested not to sit down. You are ordered to not to. Okay, my dear friends, we have to use not to. Finish. This is a very short and sweet rules and use of imperative sentence. So my dear friends, if you liked and enjoyed this video, then right now hit the like button. And if you think that this video is very, very important for the student, for the English learner, for the English beginner, and all the persons who are the lovers of English, who want to become a perfect, fluency and impressive, attractive English speaker, then please do share this video in your education groups, in your social media groups. And on the last note, I want to speak the slogan of my channel, and the slogan is, the more you practice, the better you feel, and the more you practice, the better you will be one day. So my dear friends, feel English, love English, like English. On this note, we shall meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you.